Located in southwestern Uzbekistan, Khyva is a shining pearl on the ancient Silk Road in Central Asia.
O'zbekistonda qadimiy shaharlardan Samarqand, Buxoro, Toshkent, Shahrisabz, Khyva kabi shaharlar juda ham mashhur. Bularning qatorida Khyva alohida o'rinda turadi, chunki Khyvaning asos solinganiga 2500 yildan ortiq vaqt bo'lgan.
Khyva is the first UNESCO World Heritage Site in Uzbekistan. However, due to disrepair, some ancient buildings of the cultural relic sustained damage in varying degrees. In 2014, Uzbekistan and China decided to jointly preserve and restore Khyva. Under the principle of restoration to the original, Chinese experts managed to use local traditional materials and techniques as much as possible so as not to change the appearance of the cultural relics.
Dastlabki bosqichda bu ma'lum bosqichlarga bo'lib ishlar amalga oshirildi. Birinchi bosqichda demak uni poydevori o'rganildi, cho'kish sabablari, qancha miqdorda cho'kkanligi va uni qanday holatda demak tiklash, restavratsiya qilish kerakligi o'rganib chiqildi. Endi albatta ilmiy tadqiqotlar zamonaviy axborot texnologiyalariga asoslangan holda o'sha zamonaviy uskunalarning yordamida aniqlandi. Lekin bitta ahamiyatli jihati xitoylik hamkorlarimiz aynan mahalliy an'analar asosida, mahalliy materiallar asosida bu yodgorlikni restavratsiya ishlarini amalga oshirishdi.
Completed in 2019, the Khyva project is an important cultural cooperation project between the two countries.
Bu narsa ham shaharning qiyofasini demak o'zgarishiga olib keldi. Ya'ni u Khyva, Ichonqal'a haqiqiy ma'noda ertaklardagi o'rta asr shaharlariga aylandi deyishimiz mumkin. Xitoylik hamkorlarimizni amalga oshirgan restavratsiya ishlari respublika rahbariyati darajasida juda ham yaxshi kutib olindi va bu tajriba boshqa hududlarga, boshqa tarixiy yodgorliklarga ham bevosita joriy etilmoqda.
After the joint restoration project in Khyva, cultural cooperation between Uzbekistan and China will continue. It stands as one of the many epitomes of cultural and people-to-people exchanges between China and Central Asian countries.